Hey, it's me.
I need that. Gotcha. My ball. Play with me?
Come on.
I changed my mind. Gonna chew this. Yes, I want it. Wait, what? I need that.
Hey.
Rude.
Hello.
Thanks, Mom.
Attention, please. Finally.
Wanna play? Please? I wanna play, but I also wanna relax. I can do relax play.
She's healthy. Keep it relaxed, will ya?
Gotcha. Hi, Mom.
I wonder when my next meal will be. I hope I get strawberry for dessert.
This is so much fun.
Hey, it's me. I want cuddles. Life is good.
She got my cheek. Now you can't reach it. Waha!
Put your phone down and go play.